Hi guys, welcome to New Tech Tricks TV. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install iLeo on your Windows machine, and that will help you to prevent dry eyes. So let me open Google Chrome. So I'll go to google.com and search for iLeo. So I'll go to the first link and click on the download button. So it will start downloading. It is a very small file of around 4 MB. It will take few seconds to get downloaded. Once it is downloaded, I will open it up. And this installation window will appear. So I will keep it as default. I will add iLeo to startup and add to the startup menu shortcuts. Click on next, and then it will ask you that where you want to install. I'll keep it as default in C drive, program files, and click on install. So the installation has got completed. Click on next, and you can launch the iLeo software. Click on finish. So once it has got installed, you will see a cat icon here. Just click on that. I'll go to the settings. So click on the cat icon, right click, then iLeo settings. This window will appear, and now you can set it, change the settings. I don't want it to modify about a long break, so I will remove this checkbox tick, and I want to take a long break every, say, 20 minutes, and the break will be of 2 minutes. Let's make it of 60. Or we can also configure a short break. Take a short break, and we can make it of 20 minutes, and we can give it for 20 seconds. So we will follow the 20 by 20 by 20 rule. That means after every 20 minutes you will take a break of 20 seconds and will look 20 feet away. So that will help you to prevent dry eyes. And if you want to enable sounds, you can click on this button, and you can also enable a strict mode. Strict mode is like you will not be able to use the mouse, and you will not be able to do anything with the computer. So everything will be blocked for 20 seconds. So you can try a short break, and this is how it will appear. And here, as you can see, the timer was running. So I'll click on save and close, and that's all. So I will leave the link of this software in the description box. You can download this and try it out, and let me know in the comment section if it was helpful for you. I recommend it for every software engineer or a person who uses a computer a lot, has a desk job. So it's a free software, so you don't have to worry about anything. And if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, New Tech Tricks TV. Bye for now.